What if you could turn a simple keyword into a 2,000-word SEO-optimized article with just one click? No more writer's block, no more manual linking, and no more searching for images. Today, I'm showing you the Domino Post plugin. It's a powerful, all-in-one AI writer plugin for WordPress. We all know the drill. Researching topic clusters, finding authority links, sourcing royalty-free images, and then actually writing the content. It takes hours, if not days, for a single post. But with Domino Post, those days are over. Welcome to the Domino Post AI Writer Studio. It's designed to be powerful, yet incredibly simple. Whether you have one keyword or 100, this tool can handle it all. So let's dive in. First, you have to install and activate the Domino Post plugin from the plugin repository. Then go to the AI Writer menu. First, enter your keywords. You can paste a list of keywords for bulk generation or use the built-in keyword suggestion tool. Just type your main keyword and Domino Post finds the best related keywords to help you capture more traffic. Next, configure your AI model. Domino Post supports the latest and most powerful models from OpenAI, Google, DeepSeek, and NVIDIA. You can use free models via OpenRouter or connect your own API for maximum performance. This is where the magic happens. Turn on auto external linking to instantly source real working links from authority sites like Wikipedia. Toggle auto internal linking to automatically connect your new article to your existing blog posts. And with AI image generation, the plugin fetches high quality, relevant images from Unsplash and places them perfectly in your content. Choose your content style, from SEO-focused guides to news or reviews. Add an FAQ section with schema, a key takeaways boxes for better readability, and a custom CTA. Once you're ready, just hit generate. Watch the real-time log as the AI builds your article. It's analyzing your keywords, structuring H2 and H3 tags, and deploying semantic SEO techniques that Rank Math and Yoast love. It's like having a professional SEO editor working for you at 10x speed. And just like that, we have a complete, high-quality article. Look at the structure, the images, and the links. It's 100% natural, SEO-ready, and already saved as a draft. You can generate dozens of these in one go while you focus on growing your business. Ready to revolutionize your WordPress workflow? Create SEO articles in one click and start ranking today. Download the Domino Post Advanced